Hi guys, Mab here and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Mab and I do custom stickers and DIYs. So if you love those kind of videos, do not forget to hit on the subscribe button down below and turn on your notification bell so you will be the first to know the moment I upload a new video. And yes, for today's video, another pour painting, South Beach inspired triptych pour painting that I actually learned and got inspired from Rinske, an artist that's really awesome in Dutch pour painting, and I'm learning so much from her. So thank you so much, just in case you ever see this. And if you'd like to see how I did that, then keep on watching. So we're gonna be trying a triptych painting today. I got here a 12 by 12 and 9 by 12s. I'm excited and nervous about this, and I hope the colors that I mixed are enough. Alright, here we go. So let's lay out the negative pink, gray, and black first. So we got here, I hope shape this is enough. So, negative space. We'll get the sides later on. Just want to make sure I have enough color, enough paint for the negative spaces. Now for the blacks. Alright, minutes proof. Here it is. this. Let's do some blowing. Alright, it's time to torch. Alright, so I'm just gonna touch up the parts that I overglue on the negative spaces. Starting off with the pink. And there you have it! We're all good! Thank you so much for watching the video. I really appreciate that. And if you did like the video, enjoyed it, or at least learned something from it, please do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your notification bell so you will be the first to know the moment I upload a new video. And if you have any comments, questions on what we did, or suggestions on what videos you want me to do next, please feel free to put them all down below or hit me up on Instagram, and it's me, Mab. You now have a good one. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much again for watching. Bye-bye! Now, for today's video, we are doing a South Beach